Oh, we are the crazy family. Are the crazy family. Squishies, we're not heart, the crazy fam, heart, the crazy fam. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Thanks for clicking on. And today I'm going to be showing you guys some squishy pet peeves that some people have. Some of these include me, but why there's Slinky in here, get out of there. These are my squishies. And these are actually not all of my squishies. Some are just like around the house because I actually went to school today. But this is just a lot. Oh my god, what the heck did I just do? That's not a squishy. Wait, why is this like ripped in half? Okay, we have a squishy that's also decapitated, but we're counting it. My mermaid. Look at this cute little unicorn squishy. These two little these are Gucci bat squishies. They're very cute. So what squishy should I do? How about this one? Okay, so this one would be the perfect one for this, because kind of the only one that will really like describe what it is. So what it is, let me show you. Emma, I really want to show you this. Oh, look how cool it is. What did you just do? That was gross. It sounded like a fart. So that was it, guys. So that's, I'm not going to do all the skits because that's going to just take a little long in editing. It's like red to poke. I don't know why. Oh. So which one would work? Now this one. So it's with big squishies. I could actually show you it with two of my big squishies. This one has no ears, but that one's kind of harder. This one's really easy. But this is my big panda. And some people hate when they do this. Like the big squishies. Let's roll a clip. Daphne, what are you doing with this squishy? This is way better. That's a squishy, not like this. Ugh. So that was the next one. Those were kind of the only two that I'm going to do for, but I'm going to do this school next. Some people hate when they do this. I don't know why, but like, that's like, this is, I don't know why, but I kind of like doing that, but. Ooh, let's use this one. So this is mostly with cake squishies. So I have two cake squishies right here. And so this is like kind of how it is. Like people like to do this to it. Like if it has a tear, they like to go. This one has a little tear. That's what some people like to do. And I don't like to do that because like I'm really happy because this was my first ever squishy. Smells delicious and it's like still here, so that's nice. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace with the cinnamon bun. Peace.